In a beautiful forest, Elephant and Giraffe met for the first time. They quickly became good friends. Elephant and Giraffe explored the forest together, they enjoying the beauty of nature and their companionship. One day, Elephant got stuck in slippery mud. He felt scared and couldn't move. Giraffe quickly ran towards Elephant and helped him out. After that, Elephant and Giraffe sat beneath a shady tree. They shared stories and tried to understand each other better. One day, Elephant was tasked with cleaning up a dirty and messy forest. Elephant felt sad and tired because there was a lot of work. Giraffe quickly provided support to Elephant. They helped each other and worked smartly to cleaning up the forest. Elephant and Giraffe successfully completed the task. They jumped with joy and celebrated their strong friendship. Finally, Elephant and Giraffe made a promise to always be true friends. They knew that their friendship was a precious and invaluable treasure.